I'm so happy you're here. Listen, if you guys have been looking for a house that needs a bit of a cleanup, take it down to the bone, start from scratch, this isn't gonna be your place. Sorry, but it's completely done. Designer to the nines, although I would say really to the tens. This place is stunning. Would you like to come and see what it looks like to live like a designer? Come on, I'm gonna show you. Welcome to the main floor of this luxuriously designed home. It's so beautiful. Everything is elegant. All the touches are perfect, right down to the color. And this gorgeous double-sided gas fireplace that goes between the living and the dining room. Huge amount of light, all gorgeous oak original floors. This place is big enough for oh look, a piano. Are you kidding me? That actually doesn't come with the house. Neither does the Christmas tree, and I'm a little sad that I am bigger than the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is skinnier than me. It's designer. I'll tell you what I love the most about this house and this main floor is that it all just flows one into the next. Very simple. It's really elegant living, elegant dining, right into the most elegant of kitchens. All of the stainless steel appliances, right down to the filtered water in the sink. This is beautiful. Quartz counters, gas fire, and then you can entertain on the outside as well. So welcome to the second floor. This is it. The second floor. Come with me. I'll show you everything. Don't be too eager. Linen closet, nice. This is the master. Run in. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine waking up here every morning? Could you imagine going to sleep here every night? It's dreamy. This is a stunningly renovated second floor bathroom. Are you kidding? The floors are heated, so get your little tootsies all warm when you get out of the shower. Double sink. Who doesn't like a double sink? And of course, there's a gorgeous windows, just so you can get a little bit of light in there too. Oh yeah, I'm in the second bedroom. This is the second big, glorious bedroom in the upstairs of this glorious designed house. There's also a balcony. Oh yeah, that's nice. And there's a really nice closet. Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were here. I'm actually sunbathing on the second floor deck of the house that I'm in. Oh, just catching a few rays. Yeah, coffee, wine, whatever you want. Hi, we're in the third bedroom. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking it's not big, and you'd be right. But it does have a window, and it does have a big closet, and this sauna ain't staying. So you got room in here if you need to put a little single bed in, and maybe you have a very small child. This is the room for them. Oh, I'm kind of cozy. Yes, in my luxurious basement, finished to the nines with pot lights and a TV that's so big I could watch anything. It's like theater sound down here. Gorgeous, really lovely, great space to get away from somebody else, and super beautiful design. Oh, this is a little two-piece. It's in the basement, but you couldn't tell it was in the basement. And if I were you, I'd send my guests here to use the bathroom. Why would you have them upstairs? Well, there's a lot of room in this house to do things like laundry, wash things in a sink, use your central vac, or store stuff. Oh, it's a lot of room. Oh, you thought the storage was over? You'd be wrong. All more storage. All full. Everything. Just storage. Okay, we're gonna go outside. Don't get ahead of yourself. First, I just have to show you the most magnificent part are these Ridley design doors. Look at how fantastic they are. Top to bottom, one space flows into the next space. Well, welcome to the Backyard Oasis. And it really is what it is. All designed for easy, beautiful living, dining. This is created as a bench so you can dine here if you like. Fantastic everywhere you look, all lovely cedar with a really great door right into your garage if you just gotta jump in the car quick and get something. The whole backyard has been filled with flagstone, all interspersed with thyme, which is so beautiful. And then growing up along the sides of the fence is hydrangea, beautiful climbing hydrangea. Number 38 Earl Grey Road has a back lane, number 38, and a garage. And a big garage that you can use to park your car, you can use to store things in, or, I don't know, Maybe you want to build a laneway house. I don't know, 'cause you could. Thanks for coming with me on this beautiful tour. I am now just sitting in the backyard and I'm dreaming about the next owners of this house. And I don't know who they're gonna be, but could be you. Want it to be you? Stupid designer Christmas tree. Skinnier than me, eh? Skinnier than me.